So when we sat thinking about the challenge of low-cost manufacturing, we said, what can we find around us that's actually capable of doing this? Textile weaving is something that's existed in India for a long time, and there are artisans that have a great degree of skill in making fairly complex patterns that have been woven in using a hand loom. The inspiration there was, why not use that sort of expertise to actually make microfluidic chips? And I actually have one of these here with me. So this is an example, you can see, of a serpentine microfluidic chip that's in white against a gold background. And the idea here is that your fluid flow would happen only along the white serpentine. So your blood or urine sample would flow along these, and you'd have little blocks of chemicals which have been woven in here. So you have yarn that has been coated with specific chemicals or reagents put in at specific spots that can actually help you do a qualitative test. And one of the nice things about textile weaving, in addition to the fact that you can actually gainfully employ skilled artisans at doing something like this and make a differentiated product, is also this very eco-friendly approach. You are not using plastic, for example. So these things can be incinerated very easily. It's completely bio-friendly in the sense that you're starting with silk, which is a natural material in itself. And so I think it's a great example of manufacturing technique that has got a number of attributes that are important in the current context of climate change and so on. There's literally millions of people in India that suffer from a range of different infectious diseases. If we could make a small difference to that problem in terms of screening people, quickly getting them the right treatment because they got the right diagnosis, I think that would obviously make us the happiest.